Nokia has come a long way as one of the first smartphone manufacturers. The company is well known for its high-end handsets. However, as demand for the new brands grows, the market for its product has been scarce. Nokia, on the other hand, is attempting to reclaim its market share by releasing high-quality Android handsets. They are releasing a number of noteworthy phones, including the Nokia X10, which was announced in April. The Nokia's new X series consists of two phones, that is the Nokia X10 and the Nokia X20, both of which are classified as medium priced. Now, since it's going to be available in the global market, we have the review unit here with us today. The Nokia X10 phone has a lot of new features, so let's get started with this Nokia X10 phone review. The 210 grams phone appears to be a bit heavier, like many new phones that come with a larger screens. This sophisticated and stylish phone with a gleaming design on the back can make your viewing experience even more enjoyable. Everything looks good on a 6.67-inch Full HD Plus screen with a resolution of 1080 by 2400 pixels. You have 450 nits of brightness, which will allow you to use your phone in direct sunlight without any issues. However, without Gorilla Glass, your screen is at risk at being damaged in event of sudden fall. So without fail, put a tempered glass protection on top. Some of the Best Buy links are available in the description. Check that out. The back has a matte finish and circular square camera plate with a non-distracting LED flash. The IPS LCD screen, on the other hand, is fantastic. The Nokia X10 smartphone comes with splash protection, which is the main selling point. This eliminates the need to be concerned about sweating or rainy days. The section of the screen adds a nice touch of 1080p resolution to the overall picture. Forest and snow are the two color options for this stylish phone. HMD's Nokia is known for providing sophisticated software experience and regular updates due to the minimal UI, which is merely stock Android. The X10 can be a great option for you whether you are doing everyday tasks or using the phone for more intensive use. The Nokia X10 is ready for the light games with some intriguing features. The X10 runs Android 11 out of the box. 5G network is supported by Qualcomm Snapdragon 480 5G chipset. The 5G network, which supports data transfer rates up to 1.2 gigabytes per second, is ideal for gaming and long-term series viewing. At the same time, you can do multitasking. The octa-core processor is quick enough to open and search in your favorite browser. With the Adreno 619 video card, Free Fire fans will have a stunning visual experience. The company also promises 3 years of software upgrades, which is a nice move. The Nokia X10 5G features 4GB and 6GB of RAM, as well as 64GB and 128GB of storage options. A micro SD card with a shared SIM slot adds to the storage capacity. At the bottom, you can find the 3.5mm headphone jack, a noise cancelling mic, USB Type-C port, and a bottom firing speaker. On the right side, we have the power button, which doubles as a fingerprint sensor, and a volume rockers. And on the top we have the primary mic, and on the left side we have the SIM slot with a dedicated Google Assistant button. The SIM slot is a hybrid SIM slot where you can use either 2 SIM cards or a SIM and a SD card. The quad camera setup consists of 48 megapixel main shooter, 5 megapixel ultra wide and a 2 megapixel macro and depth sensors. You can capture some of the best pictures you have ever imagined with the 48 megapixel primary camera with Zeiss optics, which has been known for its innovative technologies for years. Its editing and grading tools let you experiment with your image to your heart's content. The 48 megapixel sensor camera, on the other hand, has been popular in the low budget segment. You can capture 1080p videos at 60 frames per second, and the video quality will not deter you in the daylight. However, because the gyro EIS is missing, the video will not be stable. All other cameras are capable of capturing detailed close-ups. On screen are some of the samples for you. Turning to the front, you find an 8 megapixel selfie camera that can take decent photos and record videos in 1080p 30 frames per second. Selfie video at 1080p 30 frames per second. How is the footage? While performing a demanding task, the advanced cooling system keeps your phone cool. In normal use, the 4470 mAh battery lasts for a day, which is a very pleasant experience. The good news is that a fast 18-watt charger is included in the box, but still feels slower considering the charging speed which many other brands provide. Your battery can be charged from 0 to 100% in an hour and a half. I was getting a backup of more than a day, and I really appreciate the optimization done here at the best. Wireless charging and reverse charging are not supported by the Nokia X10. You will also get an outdated Type-C 2.0 charging port. The box includes a biodegradable bumper. These features are part of HMD's new environmental offer, which also includes a tree planting deal if you buy your handset directly from the company. The haptics are good for this price point. The device is equipped with a single bottom firing speaker that is quite loud. The sound quality is excellent for video calls and listening to good music. To speak about my pros and cons, I will start with my pros. That is, it supports 5G network, it's splash protected, Android 11 out of the box, good multitasking and gaming performance, 3 years Android support, and supports 18 watts fast charging. Speaking about the cons, there is no Gorilla Glass protection on this device. In camera, the gyro EIS feature is not available. The USB Type-C 2.0 charging port is outdated. To conclude my review, Nokia does without a doubt have a devoted following of fans who are enthralled by the brand. Because you get 5G network support, good software experience and decent performance, this could be an interesting device. Nokia has a long history of being a reliable name in the mobile industry. Nokia is attempting to bring the 5G phone as close to the mid-range as possible. There is no need to be concerned because security updates are available for 3 years. Nokia is still attempting to reclaim the market share. Many 5G phones offer more fantastic features within the same budget as the X10. So that's it from me today. Hit the like button if you like this video and share it with your friends. I'll meet you in the next one. Until then, subscribe to the channel. Alright, take care, stay safe, bye.